Hello and very good morning, students of class 7D and class 7T. I hope you all are well. Dear students, yesterday, that means on my previous class, we have started a chapter number 2, exercise 2.1, and we have already done a few questions. We have done up to question number 4. Now, today I am going to start question number 5 from exercise 2.1, which is saying that, let's see what is this question says. Exercise 2.1. Let's share the screen. Let's see that question number 5 says that write the following fraction in ascending order. So you need to write these numbers in ascending order. You know that what do you mean by ascending order? Ascending order means arranging the numbers in that form. That means the smallest number will place at the last, at the first, and the greatest number is placed at the last. So we have to make that kind of sequence. So now let's see what you have to do now. Question number 2. Question number 5. Part 1. Part A says, as you can see that, I'll just write a fraction just for a while. I'm writing down the fraction. This is 6 upon 11. This is 3 upon 11. Next is 9 upon 11. And the last fraction is 1 upon 11. So as you can see that, my dear students, can anyone tell which type of fraction it is? It is like fraction or unlike fractions? My dear student, this is like fraction. As you can see, all the denominators are same. The things are very simple. If the denominators are equal, then we don't need to work too hard. We can easily understand that if the denominators are same, then we just need to see the numerator. We need to see the numerator. You can see that in numerator 6, 3, 9, and 11, 1 is given. You know that which number is smallest? You know that we know that 1 is the smallest. So we will write 1 upon 11 at first. Then, my dear students, you have to put this sign. Then this number 3. It is 3 upon 11. After that, which number? 6 upon 11. After that, 9 upon. Just wait for a second. We need to put this sign as well. Nine upon 11. Okay. You can see that, my dear student, I just place the number according to the numerator, just because the fraction is a like fraction, because their denominators are same. So we don't need to do any work, I think. We can easily do this thing. You can see that 1 upon 11, then 3 upon 11, then 6 upon 11, and then 9 upon 11. This is part 1. Please note down this question, write down the answer solution. If you find any difficulty, then you can ask. Okay. The question number B part says that fifth B part. You have to change the number in that fashion. 1 by 2, one whole number, 1 by 2. I'll just write the whole number later on. 1 by 4. The next is 1 by, sorry, 2 by 5. Actually, this number is in the whole fractional for whole number form. So just let me complete this. The first number, wait for a second. I just need to. Now, my dear student, what you have to do now? This is written as this is written as one whole number. We write 1 here. One whole number 1 by 2. This and second is 2 whole number. Next is 1 whole number 2 by 5. This is how the question is. 1 whole number 1 by 2, 2 whole number 1 by 4, 1 whole number 2 by 5. So first of all, you can see that all denominators are not equal. So that means this is unlike fraction and we need to make it in a like fraction. So first of all, this is in a mixed fraction form. So I just need to make it as a like fraction. So first of all, what you have to do, you know that how to make this mixed fraction into proper improper fraction. That is 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 3. That is 3 upon 2. Similarly, we have to find out the next fraction is 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 upon 8 plus 1 9, 9 upon 4. Next is 2 upon 1 whole number 2 by 5. That is 12 upon 5. Now, my dear students, what you have to do? Okay, dear student, now you can see that we have to write the number in that form: 3 upon 2, 9 upon 4, and 12 upon 5. This is how we have to solve this fraction. Now, what we have to do now? We notice that all the denominators are different. You can see that denominators are different. It is 2, 4, and 5. So we need to make it as a like fraction, because this is unlike fraction. To make the unlike fraction to like fraction, take the LCM. So write down the statements. Taking the LCM of 2, 4, 5. We need to take the LCM, my dear students. As you can see how you have to take the LCM, it is very simple step. I'll just write down this. Numbers are, we take the LCM of the following numbers. Let's see the numbers. It is 2, 4, 5. Now, which number we have to divide first? 2. 2 1 are 2. This one time, this is 2 to the 4, 2 times. Next is 5. Next number is, next we have to divide by 2 again. This is 1. This is 1. This is 5. And last time we have to divide by 5. You can see that 1, 1 and 5 ones are 5. You can see that. What is the LCM? LCM is very simple. 2 into 2 into 5. That means 2 to the 4. 2 to the 4. 4 5s are 20. The LCM would be 20. Okay. So you know that. What is the LCM? You know that. You can very easy. LCM is 20. You just write down is 20. Now our target is we have to make it as a like fraction because fraction is written in that form. So you can see that this is written 3 upon 2. So I just want in denominator I need to make 20. Denominator मुझको 20 बनाना है. तो denominator में किस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करें? किस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करें? ये जो रिजल्ट है मेरे उसमें डिनोमिनेटर में क्या आ जाए? 20 आ जाए. क्या आ जाए? 20 आ जाए. तो कुछ नहीं करना है, बहुत इजी है. किस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करें? हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा 10 से. तो 10 जा 20 होता है. जिस नंबर से नीचे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे उसी नंबर से ऊपर भी मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे डियर स्टूडेंट्स. थोड़ा इजी स्टेप है, कुछ भी नहीं करना है. सो यू कैन सी दैट जब नीचे 10 से करेंगे तो 20 आएगा, ऊपर से करेंगे तो कितना आएगा? 30. क्या आएगा? 30. So you can see that this is how we have to change. This will become 30 upon 10. I'll just write down directly. I didn't need to make any all the equations. 30 upon 20. Similarly, we have to make this next section, that is 9 upon 4. We need to make denominator 20. हमें डिनोमिनेटर में क्या बनाना है? 20 बनाना है. ठीक है. डिनोमिनेटर 20 बनाना. आपको पता है किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें डिनोमिनेटर 20 बनाने के लिए? 4 से 5 टाइम. तो 5 टाइम्स ये 20 हो जाएगा. तो 10 नंबर से नीचे मल्टीप्लाई उसी नंबर ऊपर मल्टीप्लाई कर, ये भी 5 टाइम हो जाएगा. तो क्या आ जाएगा सर? 9 5 जा 45, 4 जा 20. Next is 12 upon 5. किस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करें हम? कि आंसर में डिनोमिनेटर में कितना आ जाए? 20 आ जाए. आपको पता है क्या करना है? आपको हमें 20 आ जाए डिनोमिनेटर में, 5 में किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना, 4 टाइम, यस 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करें नीचे, जिस नंबर से नीचे मल्टीप्लाई उसी से ऊपर मल्टीप्लाई। ये तो बचपन में सीखा होगा आपने, कुछ नहीं, बहुत इजी हो गया। इक्वेशन सॉल्व। This will become it's 24, 36, 48. This will become 48. You can see that this is 48 now. Now we have three equations: 30 upon 20, 45 upon 20, and 48 upon 20. You can easily write that smallest number, that is 30 upon 20. Then after 45 upon 20. Then after 48 upon 20. You can see that this is the answer that would we can write. Oh. Oh. There is some issue on my cursor. I'm not able to select. I don't know why. Now, my dear student, what we have to do now? We just write the original form. Okay. So that what we can write 30 upon 20. We can write 3 upon 2. And then after what we can write? We can write 9 upon, actually 9 upon 4. And then after we can write 12 upon 5. This is how we have to make this numbers in the ascending order. You can see that. My dear student, this is the answer, final answer. So we have to do this thing. Similarly, my dear student, look at this question number 5. Question number 5 have already done by my side. Now you have to see the question number 6. Question number 6, part 1. This is 3 upon 7, comma 1 upon 7, comma 5 upon 7, comma 11 upon 7. As you can see, all the numbers are in, all the fractions are like fractions. So we don't need to make any trouble now. We have to make it descending order. That means we have to put the greatest number first. So 11 upon 7 would be the greatest number. Then the number would be 5 upon 7, then 3 upon 7, then 1 upon 7. Okay. So we have to need to solve this by this fashion. Question number 6, you have to do by your own side. My dear student, now look at the following question, that is question number 7. Add the following. So we need to add the following numbers. So now let's start. I hope, my dear student, you have done this thing. Do question number 6 by your own, and if you found any difficulty, please inform. Question number 7. Add the following. In the following question number A is said that you have to add 1 upon 9, and 2 upon 9. Okay. Now what we have to do now? We need to add them. Okay. So what? This is very easy step. First of all, we need to observe that both the fractions are like fractions. So we just write down in that fashion. Plus sign and just write down in that fashion. Okay. This is very simple. Now what we have to do now? This is equal to sign, and this is 1 upon, know that all the denominators are same. So we just simply write down this step 1 upon 9. We just need to put the bar here. And just write down this denominator 9 and add this numerator as well. That is 1 plus 2. And as you can see, what we will do, this will become 3 upon 9. Okay, my dear students, now we have to cancel out. Then when we divide the number 3 and 9, they are divided by the same number 3. So this will become 1 upon 3. The answer will be 1 upon 3. Done. Now, my dear students, look at this B part. B part is 6 upon 13 and 7 upon 13. So the task is very simple. We don't need to do any hard work. We just simply write down 6 upon 13 and 7 upon 13. So you can see that the answer will be, this is a like fraction. So the answer would be added. So 13 is written in denominator and we will add 6 upon 7. 6 and 7 will become 13. And 13 is divided by 13 will become 1. So the answer will become 1. I hope you get this point. So if you want, I'll just make it 6 upon 13, and we just need to add 7 upon 13. It's a very simple question. Now, my dear student, what we have to do now? We need to put this equal sign and make this this 13 now. And you know that we have to add this number 6 plus 7. My dear student, you know that this is very easy. The equation will become 13 upon 13 and we have divided this, cancel out this 13 by 13, this will become 1. will become 1. Okay. This is how we have to solve this equation. Now the third one is 3 upon 7 and 5 upon 28. We just need to understand. The part is 3 upon 7 and 5 upon 28. Now we have to take the LCM of 5 and 7. Taking, you know that this is an unlike fraction, so take the LCM because denominators are different. My dear student, you have to take the LCM. I will not take the LCM because it is very easy. So the 7 and 8 LCM would be 28. So now what we have to do now is equals to 28. So we can write 3 upon 7. The step is the same. 3 upon 7. You know that we need to multiply which number to become 28. You know that which number? This will be 7 4 the 28. So we have to multiply by the 4 this numerator as well. So this will become before the 12. This is how. And 5 upon 28 is already 5 upon 28. So we don't need to make this again. We just now simply add the number. We just write down that 12 upon 28 plus 5 upon 28. Now, what we have to do now? We just add the number. For this will become 17 upon 28. As you can see, this will become 17 upon 28. This is the answer. But yes, this is the final answer. Okay. 17 upon 28. Now the last is 13 upon 25 and 9 upon 5. We have to do the same steps. And my dear student, similarly, we have to solve this question number 8. So this is your homework that you have to complete all the work in your computer, in your math notebook 2.1. And if you found any difficulty, please inform. Okay, take care. Have a nice day. Bye-bye, my dear students.